Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix the green screen glitch error when you're exporting your videos on CapCut PC. It might be because your driver or your device, sorry, is incompatible. Okay. So go to menu, go to settings, and go to performance, and you're going to untick actually both of them. So under speed up hardware encoding and decoding, you're going to actually disable them. As you can see, it says and selected to avoid exporting issues. This too. Then once you're done, press save, and you're just going to close your app first, close the project, close the app, and open it back up again. And then hopefully after that, you're good to go with exporting your videos on CapCut PC. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!